Reveal the birth of artificial meat. What surprising stories are hidden? Welcome to today's episode, where we dive into the fascinating world of artificial meat. We'll be uncovering some surprising stories and the future implications of this groundbreaking technology. This story is not only related to technological breakthroughs, but also affects people's interest in food safety and sustainable development. The past and present of artificial meat. The story of artificial meat began in the 1970s, when scientists began to combine soy protein, wheat, bran, and other plant proteins to create the first plant-based artificial meat product. Although the taste and texture of these products were not as good as real meat, they attracted interest in alternative meats. As concerns about animal welfare and environmental issues continue to grow, scientists have been looking for a more meat-like alternative. As a result, cell culture technology was born. Cell culture is a method of producing meat products by taking a sample of muscle cells from an animal and culturing them in a laboratory. The development of this technology has brought a major breakthrough to the artificial meat industry. Artificial meat has the potential to bring great benefits to the environment. Traditional livestock, while providing a plentiful source of meat, also puts a great strain on the environment. According to statistics, greenhouse gas emissions from livestock account for 14.5% of total emissions, exceeding global transportation emissions. The process of cell culture is to separate animal stem cells and place them in a nutrient solution for culture. Stem cells can quickly regenerate and turn into muscle cells. During the culture process, scientists simulate the process of muscle development. By controlling the environment such as temperature, oxygen concentration, and nutrients. After many weeks of culture, stem cells gradually form muscle fibers and fat tissue, eventually achieving quality similar to real meat. Cell culture and gene editing bring breakthroughs for artificial meat. Cell culture technology is one of the core technologies of artificial meat. It works by extracting cells from an animal, culturing and multiplying them in a laboratory, and finally creating tissue similar to real meat. The cells used can be taken from muscle, fat, or other tissues of the animal. During the culture process, the cells are controlled by providing nutrients and appropriate environmental conditions, allowing them to grow rapidly and form meat tissue. Through the cell culture method, scientists can produce high-quality artificial meat on a large scale and provide humans with a sustainable alternative to meat. The production process of artificial meat does not require large areas of grasslands and large amounts of water resources, nor does it need to discharge large amounts of manure and pollutants, thus can significantly reduce carbon dioxide emissions and reduce the misuse of water resources. In addition, the production of artificial meat requires less land area and can avoid large-scale deforestation and ecological damage. Only cell culture technology is not enough to achieve a breakthrough in artificial meat. The advent of gene editing technology brings more possibilities for the development of artificial meat. Through gene editing technology, scientists can directly modify the genome of cells to achieve improvements. They can accurately control key characteristics such as muscle cell growth rate, fat content, and flavor, making artificial meat more similar to real meat. In addition, gene editing technology can also improve the nutritional value of meat, making it rich in some essential nutrients such as protein, vitamins, and minerals. In this way, people can not only enjoy the delicious taste, but also get balanced nutrition. Eating too much red meat and processed meat is considered one of the important factors leading to chronic diseases. Conversely, artificial meat based on cell culture or plant protein does not contain cholesterol and saturated fatty acids and contains more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Therefore, moderate consumption of artificial meat can effectively reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve human health. The breakthroughs in cell-based meat are important to address many challenges facing modern meat production. First, The production process of cell-based meat has much less environmental impact than traditional livestock. Traditional livestock requires a large amount of land, water, and feed, and also produces a large amount of greenhouse gases and waste. The production of cell-based meat reduces the demand for these resources, thereby reducing environmental pressure. Second, the promotion of cell-based meat can provide more food choices and help reduce the pressure on global meat demand. Today, as the global population continues to grow, the demand for meat is increasing, and traditional livestock will gradually be unable to meet that demand. Therefore, the breakthrough of cell-based meat provides a feasible option to solve the food security issue and the shortage of food resources. As there are no additives such as antibiotics and hormones used in the production of cell-based meat, it can avoid the problem of drug residues commonly found in the traditional livestock industry and ensure food safety. Although artificial meat has many potential benefits, it still faces some challenges in promoting and applying in practice. The first challenge is cost. The current production cost of artificial meat is relatively high, making it more expensive than traditional meat. Therefore, the popularization of artificial meat still requires further technological innovation and cost reduction. The second challenge is acceptance. Some consumers are skeptical about the taste, nutritional value, and safety of artificial meat. Therefore, scientists need to continue research and development to improve the texture and taste of artificial meat, as well as increase its authenticity and acceptability. In addition, public awareness and education also need to be strengthened to raise consumer awareness and confidence in artificial meat. Stay tuned to our next episode, where we'll explore more about the future of artificial meat and what it could mean for our world. From the taste of Beyond Burger to the possible impact on our climate, there's so much more to uncover. Don't miss it. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, and have a fantastic day.